Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install and configure NFS on Ubuntu 24.04. First, you need to prepare an Ubuntu server 24.04 for installing the NFS server and an Ubuntu client machine. First, update the package list on both the server and client machines. Next, on the server machine, run the following command to install the NFS kernel server package. Once the installation has been completed, you can check the NFS status with the following command. Next, create a directory specifically for NFS sharing. Adjust the ownership and permissions by running the following command. Next, edit the NFS export file to define access. Here, you define which directories are shared and with what permissions. Now, insert the following line. After that, apply the export settings. Next, if you have installed UFW on the Ubuntu system, configure it to allow NFS traffic. Run the following command to allow the client's IP address and the IP range of the client to access the NFS service port. Now, reload the UFW firewall rule and verify the list of firewall rules using the following command. You should see the default NFS service port 2049 is accessible through specific client IP addresses and the IP range of the client. Now, on your client machine, install the NFS client. Next, create a new directory to connect to the NFS share on the server. Connect to the NFS share on the server and mount to the newly created directory on the client machine using the following command. Next, run the following command to check and verify the list of mounted disks on your Ubuntu machine. You should see the NFS shared directory mounted to your client machine on this directory. Now, when you go to the NFS client folder and create a test file, this test file will also appear on the NFS share folder on the server machine.